So I'm double smoking a ham. I bought one pre-smoked and then I'm double smoking it because I saw it online where this dude has a YouTube channel called How to Barbecue Right, and he got me on it, so I'm like, dang, I gotta try this out. Anyway, this has been smoking for a good while now. Hadn't quite got the colors I'm looking for, but it's gonna start adding up here in a little bit. I got me a little strawberry preserve and Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce mixture going with a little 7 seasoning mixed in. Starting to look a little good. I'm gonna baste that sucker, and then maybe I can get them good colors on that smoke before I do so. I just tasted it with the old pinky taste test, and man, oh man, I have to bottle that and sell it. $50. $50.97 anywhere. Oh, more dip. More dip. Babe, come try this. Tell me what you think. Do the pinky dip test. Pinky dip. Tell me what you think.
React like you.
That's alright.
It's good.
Smoke rolling on it now. You want to get that good colors that you need on something smoked to get them smoked flavors. Currently, I'm using some pecan wood. A big old limb fell out of the tree, and I'm using that to just smoke it. Straight pecan wood. We're gonna see what this does. I'm hoping for the best. And I pray to the Lord, Lord, help me with this. And I trust that He will. But I've never smoked a ham before. It's already pre-smoked and pre-cooked and all that good business. But I just want it to taste really good. I just have a lot of high hopes for this one. You know, feel free to sing that song, High Hopes. Might put it in the video here. But anyway, I'm hoping it tastes good and you're gonna get to see the finished product, ladies and gentlemen. Still rolling and going. Probably gonna let it sit on for another 30. Then baste and let it sit for another 30. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and baste it. Go ahead and get a baste on it. Oh yeah. Ooh. Let's get it in. Oh yeah. My ham has been smoking for at least 2 hours, and I'm gonna let it baste. I'm gonna let it smoke for another 30 minutes with the baste on it. Get all that good smoke. See that smoke rolling up through underneath? Alright, I'm gonna finish basting this thing, show you what it looks like in about 30 minutes. I thought I'd show you what it looks like fully basted. Oh, that smoke's still rolling. Save the rest of my sauce for dipping, baby, cause you know I like to dip. We dip, yeah, we dip. We dip. We'd like to dip it. Let's see what we got in here. What do we got on behind door number 1? Ooh, it's pretty nice. Tasty. Ooh, looks so tasty. I'm gonna bite that. Yeah. We're gonna take this bad boy off and cut into it and see what we got on there. far as flavors. See what kind of flavor crisps is on there. Because I'm getting a little hungry. Aren't you? Are you getting a little hungry looking at that? Smells pretty decent. Smells pretty smoky. That smoke is still rolling. Hey, what do you think, brother? You hungry? Yeah? Alright. Let's take her off. Let it hit the oven just a little bit longer. I was wanting to get some good coloration on here. Some good crispy looking. Let's see what this is gonna taste like. I still got my extra sauce over here on low. What's this?
Like cream cheese corn.
Cream cheese corn, twice baked potato.
Just regular.
Okay. Here's this. Little slap. So good, smoky. Sweet. The best. Juicy. I'm about to get on there. So here it is on a plate. Fixing to chow down on it. So good.